Super sweet.
No. So, okay. We trapped our dog. Look at the other video that we posted.
Yes.
And we set up the trap. And
But then we were going to do the trap and show you guys.
yeah.
The trap worked out pretty well.
Yeah, but then
I accidentally pressed
it's the end.
So Brian decided not to post it.
Yeah, it's too short. Well, it's not too short, but like, let's put her trapper back in the room. I'll get some treats.
No, you don't see nothing. So the whole point of the game is she cannot see. Watch part 1, otherwise this will not make sense.
Yes, it will not.
Oh my gosh. She touched my foot.
Luca, you want some treats? Over here. Right here. You're going to shut the door, okay? Luca, treats. Treats. Luca, treats. Treats over here. And some treats. Oh, she doesn't see us.
Oh my gosh, she's not in far enough.
And shut the door.
Jesus.
Okay, you hold the camera. And do not press that white and red button. Okay. I got some treats right here. We're going to set the trap up so you guys can see it.
Yes, it won't be the same exact, but it'll be like.
Yeah, we're doing like 4 different treats per spot.
Okay. I'm setting up the blanket spot. Oh my goodness, guys, if you guys get scared, make sure to give this a big thumbs up. And comment down below what you think it will do.
Oh no.
That's a bunch. We'll definitely have time to trap her right there. She won't. Yeah. Okay. So, what I'm gonna do is
No, I'll set it up.
if we just hold the camera. Okay.
Okay. So flip the camera around. First, I'm gonna show you guys first. No, not yet. I'll show them. So here's the end, and then we're gonna trap her right there. The line keeps on going, and going, and going. And then 3, 2, 1, open it. Get right here.
So that we can trap her. So you know. She's falling for our trap.
But let's let her eat.
Look at Tree. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up.
Okay, so that you guys went.
We have trapped a beast.
Alright guys, so finally, I'm gonna hold the camera this time because she might, not trying to be mean, but she might press the end button.
Last time he pressed the end button.
What do you mean?
Before breakfast, we were doing another
Oh
one.
yeah, that
We were
one.
trying to get out, and we locked it, and we only had a limited amount of time. You guys won't be able to see that because he pressed the stop button.
Yeah. Still eating, Luca? How does he see in the dark? Is he like thermal-eyed? I don't know. Heat. Ouch. So she's trapped right now. Right over here. She is definitely trapped.
The beast is trapped.
Yep. She's
No way to get
twisted.
out.
I think that's her head now, and that's her butt. Just to make sure.
What if you did that to her?
Oh!
What if you did that to her head? Just bam, bam.
It's her tail, because look, there's a tail right here.
Yeah. You just found her head and you're all like bam, bam.
Oh, she's not trapped anymore.
She's a ghost.
I have to get the content.
Whistle one, whistle one.
And I'm just hiding around corners.
Whistle one.
I got it. That selfie stick would be nice now.
I'm going for it. I'm risking it for the biscuit.
I got her.
Okay. Come on. Okay, get the selfie stick in.
Okay. She has like asthma,
Yeah.
so she's just taking her
Get it when I run.
whatever that thing is. I used to use one, but I'm all better now. I used to have a little bit of it, but now I have none of it. And I never want to have
Now
any.
I have it. I've had it since I was a baby, so never like I move around and run.
Ooh.
I get sick.
Ooh.
She's right there. If you can see her.
They can definitely see her. I'm just making sure you can see me. Here, I'm blocking myself with the blanket. I trapped her again, guys.
Look at treat treat. Look at treat
Treat! Oh, what's this? You want treat? You want treat? You want treat? Look at, you want treat? You want treat?
You want treat treat?
You want treat?
Treat treat.
Yes?
Is this
You want treat?
what you want?
Oh.
Is this what you want?
Is this what you want? Is this what you want? Hold the camera. Okay. Oh,
Jesus. Oh, Jesus, is this what you want? Is this what you want? Is this what you want? Do you want a treat? Do you want a treat? Don't let her see you. Then go get the dang treat.
I have to go for that. Sometimes I'm going a little too fast. Give me that.
Take it.
That.
Oh, jeez, I need to blow my nose. I'm risking it for the biscuit.
Pause. Let's pause the game so you can do that. Guys, I'm literally sweating right now. I don't know if you see that. If you were allowed to go outside, I definitely would. Whoa.
Holy.
Oh, she's right there.
The bathroom?
Is home base.
Yeah, it's tea.
This is our just base. That's
yeah,
not
this is
tea.
our secret place.
Yeah.
With all of our fun. Oh, you still have these rings.
What rings?
You still have these.
I know. Put one around Luca's nose so she can't eat the treats. But we can put them
Which
down.
one, pink or blue?
For what?
To put around your nose.
I think blue would look better.
Okay.
You hold the camera?
Okay. We are trapping her so she can't eat our beast food. So we can keep getting her. So she can't defeat us. Look out, Treat Treat! Look out, Treat! Treat Treat! You want a treat? Look out! Good. Look out, Treat Treat! Treat, good. Look. Bam! Get her! Get her!
Sit,
Sit.
sit,
Sit.
stay. Look up. Sniff it.
Stay. Stay. Wait, push it out more.
I can't.
Push it. Here, you hold the treat, and I'm gonna try to push it down more. Is this what you want?
Let's see what she does.
No! Put it back on.
Sit, sit. Look up.
Sit.
She is.
stay. Stay, hey, stay. Push it, push it, push it. Stay.
Feeder it. Feeder it.
Wait, it's not down far enough. Here, hold the tree and I'm gonna push it down more.
Okay. Quick. You start holding it, and then I'll get a tree. Okay. Push it down more.
Okay.
Is it pushed down all the way? But no. Watch this. Whoa! What? Whoa! Oh no!
Luca!
She snapped it.
Oh my goodness, Luca.
I just threw the trees at her like that.
Oh no. You know,
Broke it. Wait.
headband.
Yeah.
Or there's. We can still use this, like.
How really you want to play?
Wait.
Okay. Whew.
All hail. Now we know she's beast. We can still wear it as a beast.
So guys, that's going to wrap up this video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment down below what we should improve on. And I'll try. If it doesn't work, I'll just go back to what I'm doing or pick a different comment. And see you later, guys.